I'm pleased to report a strong set of numbers for the year end and for Q4. As you can see, we've ended the year on a good note where Q4 numbers have shown a 15% year-on-year growth. EBITDA has grown 56%. And profit before tax, before the exceptional income that we booked last year, has grown very strongly at a level of 80%. At a annualized level, again we have delivered 16% revenue growth, 25% EBITDA growth, and PAT. If you exclude exceptional income, has also grown 28%. EBITDA before exceptional income has also grown 32%. So I think we've had a pretty good set of numbers. This is largely on account of driving better operational efficiencies, better product mix, and of course we've seen some very, very strong contributions coming from research services and our overall biopharma business. Having said that, I must also mention here that we have had muted R&D spends. This is largely on account of regulatory challenges in India, where the moratorium on clinical trials continues to exist, and we have had to delay some of our R&D spends as we moved some of these trials overseas. So this is certainly a reflective of what has happened last year, but having said that, moving ahead, we do expect increased R&D spends in the year ahead. We've also anticipate increased costs relating to our Malaysia facilities next fiscal, which of course also augurs well for our future insulin prospects. So overall, I would say we've had a very good set of numbers. Our EBITDA margins have also been extremely good. For the quarter, we have actually delivered 26% EBITDA margins, and on an annualized basis, we have actually delivered 25% EBITDA margins. So again, this reflects the focus on better product mix and better quality of earnings, both through our research services business as well as our biopharma business. Research services has also delivered another stellar set of numbers. Research services has grown 28% year on year, and this has been a significant contributor as well to both the quarter and annualized numbers. So with that, I will open it up to questions. Before I do that, I'd also like to make a very important announcement which you also heard, and that is Biocon has appointed my colleague Dr. Arun Chandavarkar as CEO and Joint Managing Director. We have inducted Arun onto the board of Biocon as an Executive Director, and Arun has worked with me very closely for the last 24 years. So I'm really pleased he can now come on board and really play an important role as the company expands and shares this responsibility of driving this company to the next level of growth. Thank you.